guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay here, coming back to you with another video. And if you cannot already tell by the title and the intro to this video, this is going to be just another day with Jay. And I don't know about you guys, but my mom was a hella cleaning fiend during spring and the beginning of spring. So, of course, I decided to torture my own family with the same gruesome torture. So for the next couple of weekends, we are going to be doing a lot of spring cleaning. I feel like I'm going to break everything up in parts so we can clean and organize together. You know, why not? Anywho, so we're going to start this off with something that I hate doing the most. We're going to do the most hateful things all the way to the easiest things, because I feel like it'll just be easier that way and we'll get stuff done quicker. By starting from the garage. And what's in the garage? My Jeep. So we're going to start with the Jeep and work our way up from there. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. And if you like what you see, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, first things first, what I like to do when I'm cleaning my car is start from the inside and work my way out. So first we're going to start by vacuuming the inside of the truck and vacuuming all over it. Man, when I tell you this thing has been through, I don't know how, what, or when, or whatever, but between the dogs and when I took the trash out and it leaked in the back of my car, it's been through some rough times. So we're going to start by vacuuming it out and work our way outside. Now for the fun part. So this thing is going to be the Pet Pro for my spot cleaner. We're going to use it to clean out the inside of my car. That's going to be the seats and the floors and the carpets. I live by this stuff. Just add some hot water, add a cup, and add it to your carpet cleaner. I bought this about 2 years ago when we first got Parker, our newest pet, and OMG, this has saved our carpets, our floors, our everything, because she was a hard puppy to train. And if you have kids, pests, as I like to call them sometimes, then this thing is for you. So here it is. It's going to be the SpotBot Pet by Bissell. This is not sponsored. It's just one of my favorite things that I love to use while I'm cleaning. I love my carpet cleaners. I have a tall one as well. Like, it's the best. It keeps your house fresh, keeps your furniture fresh, and now it's going to keep my car fresh. So first I'm going to go ahead and take out all of my carpets in the car and lay them out and get her done, pretty much. I know that was so Texas right there. I just said get her done. So now that she's on, I like to go ahead and spray some of the stuff that's inside, the stuff that we just put in the water. It smells so good. Oh my goodness, it just smells so good. The scent that I have, it just smells fresh. So you want to go ahead and spray a little bit with a little trigger on there, and it sucks and sprays at the same time. So for a deeper clean, and it has like a little brush to get in between your carpets and stuff. So this is what we're going to do for all the carpets, and yeah. So now for the trunk. This place is probably the worst out of all because I dump the trash back there when I take it to the dumpster sometimes, and yeah. So I'm gonna wipe down everything first. As you can see, it's a little bit of specks on the side. I'm just gonna wipe everything down first and then go in with the cleaner. Lastly, windows, give them a quick wipe down, and that is it. One quick tip though, when you do your carpets and clean them on the inside of your car, please, if you do this, make sure you leave your windows down or cracked or somewhere where it can be ventilated, so it can let all the air out and ventilate itself. You don't want to have everything closed with moisture in your car and create mildew or anything like that. Just a little quick tip. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time guys, bye.